Hey, what's going on? So today we're going to be taking a look at a sort of a vintage dehumidifier. It's an Emerson Quiet Kool dehumidifier heater. It's like a heater function. I did pick this up off the street. When I picked it up, the guy was standing there in his driveway and he says that it works. Hey, you know how that goes. That doesn't mean anything. I did notice that the switch looks like it's been messed with a little bit. I think that might be a replacement float, and then he like bent the arm over to keep the float on. And yeah, I'm not really sure how that's supposed to look. Here's the label. It's a 22 pint. Here's the bucket. Bucket's got some cracks in it. Another crack there. I guess I don't need to put the bucket in to turn it on. Alright, it should come on without the bucket in. Alright, let's see if it really does work. Let's turn this down. There's no fan yet. There we go. So the compressor works, running. Yeah, I can kind of see some heater coils in there. I've never had one of these with a heater on it. We'll have to see how that works. Alright, this is probably going to take a while to start dripping. Alright, I'm not going to bore you. I'll come back when it starts dripping water. Alright, it's only been like a minute or two and these are getting cold. The whole thing's cold. It should start dripping water once this, once the frost starts melting off it. It's a little cool out today. It's in the upper 60s. Should still work though. All right, I'll come back. Okay, so it's been running about 10 minutes or so. Still just got a lot of frost on the coils. It's not dripping a little bit of water, but not much. Oh no, it's dripping a little bit. I don't think it's warm enough out here to drip. There's still a lot of frost on this. These tend not to work too well once you're below a certain temperature. It is dripping though. Yeah, so it does work. It would work better if it was a little warmer out. Anyway, let's turn that off. These buttons are a little stiff. So let's try the heater. It came on. It clicked. It's working. I can kind of smell it. That's pretty cool. Yeah, the air's warm coming out. It's not hot, but it's warm. I can see like a heater coil in there. I don't think it's a big heater. Yeah, it's blowing warm air. Yeah. Definitely works. Oh yeah, it's getting warmer now. Yeah, the heater definitely works. You can kind of hear it ticking now. Yeah, it's pretty warm coming out. That's interesting. I never had one with a heater on it. So there you go. Let me shut this off. There you go. That's a Emerson Quiet Kool Frost Sentry 22. All right. See you next time.